Hey there, traders. We're here to talk about a simple but powerful 5-minute scalping strategy. Lots of traders have used it with great results, and it works for all kinds of trading like forex, crypto, and stocks. We'll take you through each step, so make sure to pay attention. First, on the 5-minute time frame, we'll use Bitcoin to show you how it works, but you can use this strategy for any asset you want to trade. Alright traders, let's get started by adding our first indicator, the trend trader strategy. Here's what you need to do. Find the indicators button and click on it. A search bar will pop up. You'll need to type in trend trader strategy. Once you see it in the search results, give it a click and it will be added to your chart. Alright, so you've got the trend trader strategy on your chart. Nice work. Now, we need to fine tune it for the best results. So click on the little gear icon next to the indicator's name and let's get those settings just right. So, you've got this awesome tool called the Trend Trader Strategy that's gonna make trading a whole lot easier. The Trend Trader Strategy draws a line on your chart, and this line is the key to finding money-making chances. Now, pay attention to what happens when the price breaks through the line. If the price goes from below the line to above it, we call it a bullish breakout, and the candle will turn green. That's your signal to think about buying. On the flip side, if the price goes from above the line to below it, we call it a bearish breakout, and the candles will turn red. That's a sell signal, so consider making a sell order. Hold up traders, before you dive headfirst into using the trend trader strategy, there's something important you need to know. While it's a fantastic tool, it's not perfect on its own. Sometimes it might give you false signals in sideways market or suggest trades against the trend, but don't sweat it. We've got your back. Here at TradeGenius, we're all about finding the best strategies and indicators to make your trading journey a breeze. That's why we're thrilled to share our discoveries with you totally free of charge. So if you appreciate the hard work we put into creating these videos, why not show us some love? Take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing trading strategies and tools. And now that you've shown your support, let's get back to the business. We've found a game-changing indicator that's helped you avoid those false signals. It's time to unleash the second weapon in your trading arsenal, the market bias indicator. This baby will help you spot the market's overall direction and avoid those pesky false signals. Here's how to get started. Hop on over to the TradingView and find the indicators button. Click on it and search for market bias in the search bar. Once you find it, give it a click and voila, it'll be added to your chart. Now that you've got the market bias indicator on your chart, we need to fine tune it for maximum efficiency. Click on the little gear icon next to the indicator's name and let's get those settings just right. To make the most of the market bias indicator in our in an uptrend or downtrend, here's what you should look for. In an uptrend, you want to see those price candles above the green market bias line. Think of it like climbing a ladder. As long as the price stays above the green line, it's like climbing up the rungs of the ladder toward higher prices. On the flip side, in a downtrend, you'll want to see the price candles hanging out below the red market bias line. Imagine a downward slide. The price should be sliding down along with the red line, heading toward lower prices. By keeping these visual cues in mind, you'll be better equipped to identify the market overall direction and make more informed trading decisions using the market bias indicator in combination with the trend trader strategy. So here's a simple step-by-step guide to entering buy trade using the trend trader strategy and the market bias indicator. To start, you'll need to watch for a specific signal called the bullish breakout on the trend trader strategy. The signal appears when the price rises above the blue line on the chart. Once you've spotted the signal, you'll need to confirm that the market is trending upward by checking the market bias indicator. If the indicator is showing green and the price candles are positioned above the green line, then the conditions are right to enter a buy trade. As a next step, it's crucial to set a stop loss in order to protect your trade. There are a few options for doing this, such as using recent swing low, the market bias line, or the blue line of the trend trader strategy. In this particular example, we'll use the market bias line for our stop loss. And finally, it's important to establish a take profit target that's 1.5 times the risk of your trade. Now let's discuss the strategy for executing a sell trade. To kick things off, you'll want to watch for a particular signal known as a bearish breakout on the trend trader strategy. The signal shows up when the price dips below the blue line on your chart. Once you've identified the bearish breakout, it's crucial to verify that market is trending downward. You can do this by examining the market bias indicator. If the indicator is showing red and the price candles are positioned below the red line, the conditions are right for entering a sell trade. Next up, it's essential to protect your trade by placing a stop loss. You have several options for setting your stop loss, such as using recent swing high, the market bias line, or the trend trader strategy's blue line. In this example, we'll use the market bias line to set our stop loss. Lastly, be sure to set a take profit target that's 1.5 times the risk of your trade. This will help you secure your profits while managing risk effectively. That's all for now, traders. Stay tuned for more individual insights and don't forget to share your success stories with us. Happy trading, and we'll look forward to seeing you in our next video.